So we are at Tessmer Lane. This is a garage with living quarters started above it. There's a little patio area down there, outhouse. This is on the Wisconsin River. And there's a really cool little creek running alongside this side of the lot. I don't know if you can hear it, a little babbling creek. There's a neighbor kind of way over there, so not too close. And on this side, this is where you come in. There's a circle drive kind of there, it goes back out. Nobody has been here in quite some time, and they just don't use it. That's why they're selling. So everything just needs a really good power washing. You know, just the moss and stuff has grown here. But this is the above level. So it is all conduit wired. There is electrical service here. They have the power shut off. But this basically just needs to be finished. There's no roughed-in bathroom or anything here, so I'm not quite sure what the plan was there. So Highway 107 isn't too far off of here. You turn on Herb Mitchell, that goes to a boat landing right there, and you come down this Tessmer Lane, which is just a private road, and the railroad tracks follow the road on the back side. There's that little drainage creek running this time of year. And there is a transformer right here. The electrical service is not put on, so they never had the electrical service put on. Again, it's all wired and stuff, there's just not the service hooked up from public service. And this is, you know, your just driveway in, and you can actually see the river right from here. Yeah, so there's that patio area. There are garage door openers. There's the steps going up. So you come up the steps, and it appears that they had this roughed in for a really good sized bedroom, and there's closet area. And then this would be, I'm guessing, the living room or another bedroom. There is closet here too. They both have patio doors that go out. Maybe it's 2 bedrooms and you have your other living area downstairs. So this is the lower level garage area. So I don't know what they all had planned here. Maybe it was just garage and they had the sleeping area upstairs, and they do have the outhouse out there. There is a deck here. It appears that, you know, this just has not been drained away, and so this wall here, the sheeting on it is getting waterlogged and rotten underneath of the, maybe there just wasn't flashing, because there is vinyl siding, but that definitely is coming down behind the off of that deck up there. It must be running down the siding. So they had this little patio area here with some storage. There is a dock that's kind of stacked up here. Just hasn't been in quite some time. Little fire pit area. There's an old boat over there. There is a power pole down here. Again, there's just no electrical service hooked up, but they had it all set to go. And they have a nice set of concrete steps that go down here. Just needs to be cleaned out a little bit. There's, you can walk down right into the water. Yeah, you can see a boat down there, somebody fishing. This time of year, water's moving quite fast, but normally it's not too bad, depending on how much rain we get. There's your dock. And that's looking back at the cabin. Again, this is that little creek running here, and I'm sure this probably only runs in spring. You know, the garage is up, you know, on a little bit of a higher area. This here, you know, it's, this time of year is a little squishy. There is some more extra material in the garage, and it looks like there's some older, there new older shingles here. So pile of shingles. Maybe, they were gonna do a little bit more here. So this is Tessmer Lane that goes in. There is the river. There's the boat landing right there. So you're very close to the boat landing. But I just wanted to show railroad tracks are here. And then this is County S already. So we're only a short couple miles outside of Tomahawk.